Hi, this is Mrs. Nelson, and we are going to be subtracting fractions with uncommon denominators. Now, this is not any more difficult than it was for the addition. You have to create common denominators, cross, multiply across, then subtract the tops. So let's go ahead and get this going. You will need a whiteboard and a marker. You will need a paper and a pencil. You won't be able to do this without. Okay? Most kids are not able to do this without that. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Let's rewrite our problem 7/8 minus 2/4 on our whiteboards. Let's do that real quick. So I have that written up there. So 7/8 minus 2/4. And we need to create our common denominator. So to create our common denominator, we are going to multiply the two denominators together. So 8 times 4, well 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. So we're going to create 32 for the right-hand side and 32 for the left-hand side. Okay? Now, you have to be able to create the new numerators. So we're going to take 7 times 4 and multiply that. That'll give us the answer on this side. And then 7 times 4 is 28. You're going to take that and subtract it. And then you're going to take 8 times 2, and that'll be your answer on this side. So that's going to be 16. So then 28 minus 16, 8 minus 6 is going to be 2. And then 2 minus 1, 20 minus 10, over 32. So you subtract the tops, keep the bottom the same. All right, so let's take a look at how that may look in Edge Elastic. So again, we have to create our equivalent fractions, and to do that, we are going to multiply the bottoms. And that bottom is going to be 18. 8 times 4 is going to be 32, because 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. So you're going to type 32 in Edge Elastic down here. You're going to type 32 down here, and because you already know your answer will have 32 in it. Okay, and then the top, remember, you're going to have to multiply, cross multiply. You're going to start at the 4, and that'll give us the answer on this side. So 7 times 4 is going to be 28. Okay, and then we're going to multiply from the 8 to the 2, and that'll give us the answer on this side. And 8 times 2 is going to be 16. So 16. So 16 30-seconds being taken away from 28 30-seconds. So again, we figured out that that would be 8 minus 6 is 2. And then 20 minus 10, so it's 12 30-seconds. All right, so that's our answer, 12 30-seconds. 7/8 minus 2/4 equals 12 30-seconds. Now, the reason why you create common denominators is all your pieces have to be the same size, and if they're not, you can't add or subtract. So we have to make our denominators, what we cut our holes into, all the same. Okay, questions, concerns? Please see a teacher.